Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. LG's flagship V30 has been on the market for well under a year, and it somehow has already spawned two sequels. The first, an AI-infused redux called the V30S ThinQ, only recently became available for pre-order in the US. The second, which LG just revealed today, takes many of the features found in the new G7 and packs them into a very familiar body. Say hello to the V35 ThinQ. So in this video we're going to take a look at the LG V35 ThinQ. Just consider what's going on inside the phone. Like nearly every other premium smartphone released this year, the V35 ThinQ packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, this time with 6GB of RAM. That's just like the G7, and the V35 felt just as fast as rival devices. Beyond that, the V35 mostly sticks to the existing V30 formula. There's a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, 64GB of internal storage, a micro SD card slot, a 3300 mAh battery inside, and a 32-bit quad DAC that ensures the phone is still one of the best mobile music players on the market. The V35 is far from the most innovative smartphone LG has ever made, but some of the changes here really are worth digging into. Take that 6-inch Quad HD Plus screen up front for instance. It's a big step forward from the P OLED panels we got in the V30. Let's say you were reading in bed and wanted to dial your V30 screen brightness down. The display would often look a little gritty or grainy when you dimmed it. This time, LG went with a more traditional OLED screen that avoids that dirty look and seems to produce punchier and more vivid colors at the same time. It also doesn't have a notch if that's a thing that matters to you. But the phone lacks the super bright display mode that made the G7 so readable in broad daylight. But it was still plenty easy to read on a sun-drenched rooftop. And then there are the cameras. LG transplanted the 16-megapixel dual camera from the G7 into this familiar frame. For those keeping track, the standard camera has a wide 1.6 aperture and a 10-bit HDR sensor for brighter, more accurate colors, while the wide-angle camera captures a 107-degree field of view. That combination of sensors allows for a lot of flexibility when you're shooting photos on the fly. And the ability to seamlessly switch between different perspectives remains one of the big reasons to embrace LG's camera system. So what do you guys think about the LG V35 ThinQ? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.